Ma'dan bin Abi Talha Ya'mari states that he met Hazrat Thawban, the slave freed by Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, and submitted to him, "Tell me the act for performing which Allah Jalla Jalaluhu may admit me to paradise." Or he submitted, "Intimate me the act which Allah Jalla Jalaluhu loves the most." Hazrat Thawban radiyallahu anhu kept quiet. I repeated my question, but he remained silent. When I asked him a third time, he replied, "I asked Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam about it. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam whereupon said, make incumbent on yourself the frequent prostrations for Allah Jalla Jalaluhu. You will not prostrate yourself once before Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, but Allah Jalla Jalaluhu will raise your rank by 1 degree more and obliterate your one sin." Ma'dan says, I then met Hazrat Abu Darda radiyallahu anhu and asked him the same question. He thereupon gave me the reply similar to that of Hazrat Thawban radiyallahu anhu. Sahih Muslim Hadees number 1093.